What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Printer Tales. So, do you need help in setting up your HP printer? I know printer setup is not easy as it looks. There are chances of facing various issues. To make things easier for you, here I'm going to guide you through the simple steps you need to follow to complete the setup using your smartphone. So, let's get this process started. Make sure your printer is on and then press the cancel and Wi-Fi button together until the power light starts flashing. Once the Wi-Fi light starts flashing, then it will be ready for the setup. Now, go ahead and open the HP Smart app. Then tap on the plus icon at the top right side. Under the Setup a New Printer section, choose the Get Started option. Once you see the printer series name, then tap on it. When it shows your wireless network name, then type in password. After entering the password, tap on Continue. Once you see the screen to press the information button on your printer, then head back to your printer and press the information button. Then choose the Continue button and when the Wi-Fi connection is complete.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.